All right, what's up, y'all? It's your guy, 392 Cali, back with another one, but AKA Maserati Gotti. Yeah, you know what time it is. So, when I'm in the Mazzy, that's my handle. But I'm about to take out to a car show today that my brothers invited me to, Heartland Camaros, you know what I'm saying? So, we out here in Bel Air, you dig? And we about to go check this mug out, man. It's supposed to be lit. All right, man, so we walking up here, you know what I'm saying? And getting stuff going, seeing what they got. We up at Bel Air. Bam. That's where they was holding it at today. Let's go check this out. Yeah. Damn. Y'all see it. It's a nice wagon.
That's what the way it was at the football game last Saturday.
Yeah. That ain't nice. I don't know if y'all can catch the flakes in there. Yep.
Chief?
I don't. We knew this.
Look, it's clean.
Now, if it was aluminum block, it'd be okay. I told you, Mike, and
You see him? Yeah. He's about that business.
counterclockwise. 6 on this side, 6 on that side.
Hey, what's going on? How you doing?
Pretty good. So this is all us.
Okay. Got the whole lineup today. Harlan Camaros out here.
We're gonna get
My car brothers. You know what I'm saying?
I'm in the paint.
Before carbon fiber down there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, I like paint.
Man.
I don't even know where I think Kelly took off to the restaurant. Kelly, right?
That ain't nice. Look how detailed it is.
We're standing right by that bale.
Have to
No, we can
respect
stand up, but then we can put that.
the design on this car.
Bonnie's like, I'm in.
Come in.
I'm in. Man, you can just bring your appetite. Yeah, you can just.
Well, I want to bring more than that. Bam. Back at it. I had to take a moment break and get situated. Yeah. Yeah, look at it. Rational. Yeah. Yeah, you see it.
See you later. be better. Better sun.
Yeah. Going against
Better
it.
sun to get the brighter color.
Yep.
And that thing too. Let me
Oh, I
tell
believe
with
you.
that with that Hemi, it sounds awesome. I don't think I've heard one sound prettier than that.
My first time seeing one. Thank you. Lady said she loved my bag. I appreciate that. Made me feel good. Absolutely. It's beautiful. Beautiful, man. Man. Hold on. Did they come like that? Did they always, is this original? Or did they have this custom made like this?
No. Ford made those 3 years.
Okay.
57, 58, 59.
And it came like this?
Do what now?
It came like this?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Uh-huh. That's straight from the factory. The top retracted back. These were called Skyliners.
Now you see that, guys? They been had retractable hardtops way back in, what year is this?
57.
57. Beautiful. Look at that. He said it's not custom, that's factory. Retractable hardtop, the year 57. Y'all see it. Beautiful, man. That's a beautiful car. Thank you. I'm not even a Ford guy for real, but man, just by him giving me the history on that right there. You know what I'm saying? That's tough right there.
You picked a good day for it. Man, a pumpkin patch, and that's a loose term. It's an amusement park for the kids. Great, thank you.
That's good.
You need a good rain.
Or 2 or 3. Or 2.
We've wiped these cars off.
Beautiful cars though.
Yep.
I'd wipe them down a bunch of times too if that was mine.
Yeah, we staked it out yesterday. It is. I'm working on final plan.
Uh-oh, look at the Cavalier. I ain't seen one in years. It must around be a sleeper. Come on, man. Anybody that knows, if you know, you know. It's a Cavalier, man. Everybody done had a couple, or at least one in their family if you old school. Cheap, reasonable car back in the day. Easy to fix. Look at the 83 Monty. Clean. '57. Clean. You know I'm a Chevy guy though. But if the car's clean, it's clean. You gotta respect that. It's a bunch of clean cars out here. Everybody out here is clean. You think they would have put their stuff in a contest if they wouldn't? Pretty hot. See it? Is that 67? Yeah. Yep. You're fine. Plymouth.
They went out. But I sold that. Took the money from that. I also had a
That makes there's a lot of people that think it is. Like, no, it's not mine.
I hope the glare ain't throwing you off, man. I'm trying to get this at a good angle.
That's how you do it. Joy. Right?
Oh, man.
Yeah, I try. Ain't no sense of leaving the park.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, not this kind of money you tried investing in it. Hell out of it.
Gotta take it a little bit.
It's just a car.
Just a car.
All right, you guys see the beautiful detail on here?
Hey, dude,
Four previous employers in this county call me about every other week.
it's yeah, drivers.
So many flakes.
Oh, do it.
There's so much stuff going on.
Yeah, you guys salary based off your route, so it's usually averages around like 40 plus. Check that best.
I mean, it's a beautiful car. This is definitely eye candy.
Wait, so where do you work?
Yeah, I've got companies calling me all the time. Hey, we just lost a throughput.
Yeah, it's a good car.
Stay there, get a paycheck.
So you're gonna hear all kinds of conversations in the background. I got to work with me. I'm gonna get that music back cracking.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I don't know. Anything can happen.
Got my car brothers back here. You go my brothers right here.
What's up, man?
What's happening?
Good to know.
Mm-hmm.
Good to know.
You see him.
What was your name again?
Jeff.
Jeff?
Yeah, I'm John. Nice to meet you. Thanks for that. On 2011, so.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it only has 16,000 miles on it, so.
Where'd you find it?
In Augusta, sorry.
Really?
Yeah, so I just happened to be the first one to go look, and when it had 16,075 miles on it, I drove it. So,
Good for you.
so I was checking with him.
I was just saying, are you joining the club?
I may be joining the club, that's why I was asking.
Husband Rick.
Hi.
He's got 17.
Okay. 22 years.
Yeah, we were in dead on the way back.
They're not.
Red's not using my color, but it's so nice and vibrant on this car today, so they do have to wipe their cars down like several times because it's kind of in a dusty area. So if it wasn't in this field, you probably even get a better glimpse of them because of the dust.
Nothing. Took it off for the filter, nothing. So, well, maybe you're out of gas. So my son went and got some gas, we poured in it. Still nothing. It just kept running, got him all the way home. I followed him home to make sure he got home and got in the driveway. I've never seen a fuel pump decide to work.
I didn't want that big old funky thing sitting there. Like I said, I've done a lot of
Right.
things.
Now, is this part of the cold air induction?
Yeah.
Okay.
Standing by while she's enlightening us on her vehicle.
Sure.
Run you in the mud. Yep.
50 model, the old Model A or Model T out there. Fan off and tighten up the rod packs. Put the name back.
Mitsubishi, the twin turbo intercooler on there. That we running stuff. The rainbow doors on there. The Wichita logo. Oh, man. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, used to have one of these back in the day, but it wasn't clean like this. Man, Uncle Reggie couldn't mess with a baby picture of this car. Introduced me to beat at a young age.
3, not 2. 3.
Yep, you gotta respect these beautiful cars. These mugs are definitely beautiful. Beautiful car. All of them are beautiful. Everything in there nicely done. They ain't half step with that at all.
I bought 2 of these. This one was black and the other.
All right, and that's going to conclude today's segment of How You Ride with Cali. Man, if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate y'all riding with me. We up out of here.